Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome, car enthusiasts, to another exciting episode. Today, I'm thrilled to unveil the world's top 5 best aftermarket car alarm systems. Whether you're a seasoned driver or just stepping into the world of automotive security, you're in for a treat. From cutting-edge technology to unparalleled reliability, these systems are sure to impress. So, join me as we explore the ultimate in vehicular protection. Don't forget to check the link in the description below for more details. Let's dive in. Number 1. Compustor CS7900 is all-in-one two-way remote start and alarm bundle, the pinnacle of aftermarket car security systems. With a staggering 3,000 feet range, this bundle offers unrivaled peace of mind for your vehicle. Equipped with a CM600 control module, shock sensor, siren, and LED, it ensures comprehensive protection. Its two-way interactive LCD remote provides visual and audible feedback, confirming your commands with confidence. The CS7900 boasts intelligent security sensors, allowing seamless integration of door, hood, trunk, and impact sensors to detect any intrusion. Should any unauthorized access occur, the two-way LCD remote instantly alerts you, keeping you informed and in control. Elevate your vehicle's security to new heights with the Compustor CS7900 as the ultimate choice for the best aftermarket car alarm system. Number 2. Viper 5706V two-way car security with remote start system, the epitome of cutting-edge vehicle protection and convenience. Equipped with a 5-button LCD transmitter and a 1-mile range, this system ensures optimal control and security for your vehicle. Its 4-channel security setup guarantees comprehensive coverage, while door and trunk triggers enhance its protective capabilities. Whether you're safeguarding your car or enjoying the luxury of remote start, the Viper 5706V excels in performance and reliability. Ideal for those seeking the best aftermarket car alarm system, its advanced features and intuitive design make it a top choice for vehicle enthusiasts everywhere. Experience unparalleled peace of mind and convenience with the Viper 5706V two-way car security with remote start system. Number 3. Mention Bicycle Alarm, a game-changer in anti-theft security. This compact yet powerful device, measuring just 65 mm*45 mm, boasts a creative design perfect for bikes, motorcycles, cars, and even doors or windows. Its IP55 waterproof shell ensures durability, ideal for outdoor use. With an ear-splitting 113 dB alarm, this gadget offers 7 levels of adjustable sensitivity, providing unparalleled deterrence against theft. Operating this alarm is a breeze with the included remote control, allowing convenient arming, disarming, and one key vehicle location from up to 20 meters away. Installation is versatile and effortless, whether you opt for double-sided sticker attachment or strap tying. Need extra control? No problem. Simply order additional remotes for family members or spares. Elevate your security game with the mentioned Bicycle Alarm, the perfect addition to the best aftermarket car alarm system. Number 4. Installgear Car Alarm Security and Keyless Entry System, the pinnacle of protection for your vehicle. Engineered to be the best aftermarket car alarm system, it comes equipped with 2 4-button remotes, granting you full control at your fingertips. Safeguard your prized possession with its robust car alarm system, thwarting theft and unauthorized access with advanced security features. Embrace the convenience of keyless entry, effortlessly locking and unlocking your car doors with the push of a button on the sleek key fob. Stay informed and in command with the integrated LED indicator light, providing essential visual cues for your peace of mind. Plus, enjoy the added convenience of the trunk pop function, granting you swift access to your belongings with a simple remote command. Elevate your car's security with the Install Gear Car Alarm Security and Keyless Entry System. It's your vehicle's ultimate guardian. Number 5. Banvi Car Alarm System, the epitome of security and convenience for your vehicle. Designed to fit most DC-12V cars, this system boasts a robust zinc alloy frame remote controller with responsive buttons. Enjoy keyless entry features like lock/unlock, car finding, trunk release, and more, all at your fingertips. With a powerful 110 dB siren and dual trigger sensors, shock and microwave, rest assured your vehicle is safeguarded against intrusion. Activate the silent alarm mode for discreet protection. Engine blocking capabilities add an extra layer of defense, preventing unauthorized startups and thwarting potential hijacking attempts. Plus, with central door locking automation, your vehicle automatically secures itself post-drive, ensuring the safety of passengers, especially children. Elevate your vehicle security with the Banvi Car Alarm System, the best aftermarket car alarm solution on the market. In conclusion, selecting the best aftermarket car alarm system is crucial for safeguarding your vehicle. Whether it's advanced features, reliability, or ease of installation, finding the right fit is essential for peace of mind. With a plethora of options on the market, thorough research and understanding your specific needs are key. Remember, investing in a quality alarm system not only protects your vehicle but also offers valuable security benefits. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share for more updated videos.